Good morning, students. You are welcome in the virtual class. This is the class of Mathematics Standard 6, and I am here to start your first chapter, number system. Before starting the chapter, first of all, we would like to share what are the importance of numbers in our day-to-day life. Numbers are very important in our day-to-day lives. From bed to bed, it means from waking up in the morning to going to the bed at night. So we all plays with the numbers. We all times plays with the numbers. Okay, what is the time? What is the date? All time. And now we focus on number system. What are the number systems? There is not only one number system prevailing in the world. There are various types of number system prevailing in the world. So I am telling here number systems. Those systems through which we write or we represent numbers, those systems are called number systems. See, there are various types of number systems. Number one, I am just giving you name of the popular number system. There is a list of more than 100 number systems. I am telling you some famous, some mostly important number systems. See, binary number system. Binary number system. Base 2, that is 0 and 1. This type of number system is being used in the field of computer, or electronic devices. Binary number system. Bi means 2. Bi means 2. This number system has two bases. One is 0 and one is next one is 1. 0 and 1. We represent smallest to largest number using only these two digits, 0 and 1. There are only two digits are being used in this number system. That's why this number system is called binary number system. Bi means 2, 0 and 1. And this is used in the field of computer. So I am not going deep inside in this topic, binary number system. And the number system which we use in our life, we use in our mathematics, that is decimal number system. Decimal number system. Its base is 10. Its base is 10. We have 10 digits in this number system. We have 10 digits in this number system. That's why we say decimal. Decimal is 10. Decimal is 10. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, all these are 10. That's why we say this number system decimal number system. You are very well known to this number system because since your childhood we using this number system only, decimal number system. We can write smallest to smallest or largest to largest using only these 10 digits. Only these 10 digits. Okay. So this number system is known as decimal number system, which we use in our day-to-day life. Further, we have octal number system. Octal number system, base is 8 and next is hexadecimal. Hexadecimal number system, base is 16. Octa means 8. Hexadecimal means 16. Its base is 16. We are not going in this period, in this video, further inside this 3 number system, 1, 2 and 3. We have to pay attention only this decimal number system. Okay. Now, there are 2 terms being used in mathematics. That is, one is notation and other is numerals. We don't have to confuse with these 2 numbers, notations and numerals. Notations and numerations. Notations means writing any numbers in figure, that is 5. This is notation. Notation versus numeration. Notation versus numeration. When we write 5, it is notation. When we write 5, it is notation. And when we write it 5 like this, 5, it is numeration. Okay. When we say, example, when we say 5, it is notation of 5. Okay. When we write 5 in words, it is numeration. Okay. So we don't have to confuse between notation and numeration. Next, in your class, in this chapter, we are going to focus on system of writing or representing numbers. System of writing or representing numbers. In this chapter of your class, we first discuss on systems of writing or representing numbers. In this modern time, we represent number, and the famous system of representing number in India, in our country, that is the Hindu-Arabic system. Hindu-Arabic system. In this system, we will follow the decimal number system. We have 0, 1 to 9. 0, 1 to 9. It means 10 digits. Okay. And the next, how to represent number in this number system. In this system, we have, see, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, lakhs, crores. In this system, we represent numbers in this with these separations of the digit, with these separations of the digit. Suppose we have to write 120. 120. It is ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, and hundreds. This is called periods. Comma is called over here periods. We separate these four parts in this system with the comma, and this is called period. This is called period. Okay. So we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Thousands will be divided into thousands and 10,000s. Thousands, 10,000s, next lakhs, 10 lakhs. Similarly, crore, 10 crore. Okay. Now, before that, I am here to discuss one thing, that is face value and place value. Face value of a digit in numeration, in number, in numerals, in numerals. Face value of a digit in a numerals and place value. Place value of a digit in numerals. Both are different. Face value, it remains same. It remains same. See the example. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s means 45,678. 45,678. We have to write in expanded form. 8 multiply 1 means 7 multiply 10. 6 multiply 100. 5 multiply 1000. 4 multiply. You have to we using decimal number system. We don't going inside that topic, but we have to focus on face value and place value. Okay. See, for keeping in mind, for a clear figure, but we have to put as many numbers of time numbers of zero as in the right side there is digits. There is digits. Suppose 8, there is no any one digit, so that's why I will write 8. 7, no only one digit, that's why 710. 6, 2 digits, 620. 5, 3 digits, 530. 4, 4 digits, 440. And in compact form we will write 40,000, 5,000, 600, 70 plus 8. 70 plus 8. Now see, face value. Face value. It remains same always. It doesn't differ anytime. It remains same. 8. Face value of 8 is 8 always. 7 is 7 always, 6 is 6 always. Okay, but place value, here place value of 6 is 600. Here place value of 6 is 600. Place value of 4 is 40,000. Place value of 4 is 40,000. See the next example, a small example. I write 4, 6, 8. 4, 6, 8. Here in extended form it will be 400 plus 60 plus 8. 400 plus 60 plus 8. Here compare with this. Here place value of 4 is 40,000 and here place value of 4 is 400. Place value depends upon the position of digits in a number. Position of digits in a number. It will be in the position of in first place and in ones place. It will be 4. It will be, suppose I am giving you an example regarding only 4 right now. Suppose 4 will be at ones place. 4 will be at ones place. Its value will be 4. 4 will be at tens place. It will be 40. 4 will be at hundreds place. It will be 400. So, okay. Now international system of numeration. International system of numeration. International system of numeration. International system of numeration. Here we have, see, ones, tens, hundreds, separation means period, okay, thousands, ten thousands, ten thousands, hundred thousands, hundred thousands, no period only. Here, see, ones, tens, hundreds, one separation, one period, thousands, ten thousands, hundred thousands. One separation, we will continue from here. No, there is no space there, that's why we will continue from here. Million, 10 millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, sorry, 10 million, 100 millions, 100 millions, then after billion, one separation only, billion, 10 billion. What do you find? 3 digit, once again 3 digit, once again 3 digits, and so on. Okay, we represent numbers in this number system like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Once again I am starting from 1, 2, 3. Just for example, in international system of numeration, we separate or we give periods after 3 digits, always from right to left, from right to left. One separation, once again 3 digit, one separation, one again 3 digit, one separation. See in first difference between Hindu Arabic systems and international system. In one example, in Hindi Arabic system, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 2 3, same number. This number is represented in international system. Now I am going to see you difference in Hindu Arabic number systems. We give first separation after 3 digits. We give first separation from right side after 3 digits. Ones and hundreds. Rest will be given after 2 digits always. 2 digit separation, 2 digit separation, 2 digit separation, 2 digit. Difference here always after 3 digits. Okay, suppose at last one we have only 2, no matter, because we start giving separation up from right side to left side. Okay, same way, suppose we have only 1 digit at last, no matter, it will be here and here. Now how to read or how to write in numbers, in words in this number, of this number. Means ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Means 8 crore, 76 lakhs, 54,000, 321. 321, because it's thousands, it's lakhs, and it's crore. How to write? How to read? 8 crore 76 lakhs 54,321. But now in international system of numeration, we read, see, ones, tens, hundreds. This is the parts of thousands. This is the parts of million, and this is the part of billions. See, 21 billion, but 21 billion 987 millions. Once again repeating, 21 billions 987 millions 654,321. 321. Okay. This is the difference between Hindu Arabic number system and international system of numeration. This number system, international number system, is being used worldwide. All over the world, this number system is being used. Whereas Hindu Arabic system used in Indian subcontinent only. In this way, we have discussed both types of systems through which represent numbers. One is Hindu Arabic number systems, which is popularly being used in our Indian subcontinent, and international international systems of representing numbers. Now we will solve the exercise 1A, and as it is virtual class, that's why I am not solve from all type of question from 1, and here I am to make you clear by solving the medium level question, as you find at the beginning, or 1 or 2 number question is a very low level, means a very easy question, and as we go upwards in number, you will find the different level of questions is changing into difficult. So I am trying to make you clear all types of question of exercise 1A by solving the middle level question. As for example, from of question number 1, I am solving you number 5. Question number 1, number 5. 1a, exercise 1a, question number 1, 5. 1, 5. What is the question? Write the numerals of the following. Write the numerals of the following. And you have the question. 6 crore 5 lakh 6 crore 5 lakh 57 6 crore 5 lakh 57. And as it is crore in this question, that means what? It is in Hindu Arabic system. It is in Hindu Arabic system, and you have to keep in mind Hindu Arabic system like this: ones, tens, hundreds. This is the blend business. This is the blend business. Thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Whereas there is starting from 6 crore, that's why we can left. Once again, repeating: ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Now we have to fill the digits one. It's in this way you can make solve this type of question very easily. What I did, I have just give the blank space to fill the digits of this question. Like 6 crore. 6 crore, that obviously it will come on this position at the place of crore. At the place of crore, I am writing for your help. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Okay. Now 6 crore, it will come at the place of crore. Okay. 5 lakh, only 5 lakh. That's why it will come at place 5. And nothing extra. Only we have 57. It means 57. 57. And the rest places we will fill 0, 0, 0. What will be the numerals? 6, 0, 5, 0, 0, 0, 5, 7. It will be your answer. In this way, you can write all the numerals of total 8 questions of question number 1. Now we will see the question number 2. Now we will see in the question number 2. Question number 2. Writing words. Writing words. Writing words. And for you I am solving here question number 6. Question number 6. 618 618 05 05 008 618 05 008. It is. You have to write in word. You have to write in word. As I have told you, just give ones, tens, hundreds. This is a part of thousands. Next, lakhs. Next, crore. Crore. Okay. Here, 008. At the part of thousands, 05. At the part of lakh, 80. And at the part of crore, 6. What you will say? 6 crore. 6 crore. How many lakhs? 18 lakhs. 18 lakhs, 6 crore, 18 lakhs. How many thousands? 05. It means 5. 5 thousands. 5 thousands. And what is there? Only 8. That's why 8. Is it clear? In this way, you can solve all these types of questions. Okay. Now we come to the question number 3. Now we come to the question number 3. Write in expanded form. Write in expanded form. Write in expanded form. You have for your help, I am solving here question number 3. Question number 3. That is 24 05 609. 24 05 609. You have to write this number in expanded form. Similarly, a very easy trick I am giving you to write this type of to solve this type of question. An easy trick, very easy trick. I will write first digit 2 and we have to count how many digits are there after. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will put 6 0. We will put 6 0 plus next digit 4. Once again I will count number of digits after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will put 5 0 plus here at the place here it is 0. It is 0. For that, as it is 0, we can left it. We can left it. And next is 5. Next is 5. After that, how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay. Next digit is 6. After 6, there are only 2 digits. 0, 0. And once again, here is 0. We can left this. And now we have only 5. In this way, you can write all the numbers in expanded form. Now there are some word problems. You have to do by yourself. And if there are any problem, you can send the question. Ask from me directly on WhatsApp group. Okay. And now I am one more question I am solving for you. That is, come to the question number 18. All these questions up to now, that is from Hindu-Arabic systems. Now we just I am going to solve some questions, some problems regarding international system of numerals. See, question number 18. The question number 18. Rewrite each of the following numerals with proper commas using the international place value chart. Also write the number name of each in international system. For that I am solving you question number 5. Question number 18. 5. It is 8935. 0064. It is 89350064. Okay. First of all, you have to write these numerals in place value chart in international system. Place value charts. It is just I am writing short form. It is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, million, 10 million, thousand, sorry, 10, 100 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. This is the place value chart in international. This comes under thousands. This comes under thousands. And this comes under millions. And this part comes under billions. Okay. So first of all, we separate these digits in international systems by giving periods. After 3 digits, as we know from right side, 1 period, 2 period. Means this is hundreds. We have to just arrange these numbers in this chart. We have to just arrange these numbers in this chart. 4, 6, 0, 0, 5, 3, 9, 8. 5, 3, 9, 8. We have 4, 6, 0, 0, 5, 3, 9, 8. Very easily, we just arrange these digits in place value chart in numbers international system. Now we have to give the number names. We have to give the number names. So just writing from left side, as it is counting, as we observe from right side, and we have to write it from left side. 89. This is the part of millions. Once again, focus on this. This is the part of millions. What we will say? 89. 89 millions. 89 millions. 89 millions. 300. 350. 350. 350 thousands. 350 thousands. And in this part there is only 64. There is only 64. What will say? 89 millions. 89 millions 350. Sorry, यहाँ पे होगा 350. 89 millions 350,064. Is it clear? In this way, you can solve all the questions from question number 8. Now come to the question number 19. Now come to the question number 19. In this question, you have to write each of the following figures in international place value chart. International place value chart. This is the same place value chart. You have to write the number. Okay. See in the once again, as it is not place to write. Once again, I will OTH. It is 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. I think. Now I am solving number 2 question. Number 2 question. Question number 19. Number 2. It is 52 million. 52 million. It is 52 million 205,000. 205,000. sorry, 1006, 205,006. We have to represent this numeral in this chart. See, this is the part of million. This is the part of million. This is the part of thousands. This is the part of thousands. Three parts are there. 1 10 hundreds, thousands parts, and million parts. We have to write 52 millions. 52 millions. It is not in 100. That's why we will give this place blank. 52 million. 52 million. It fills all the columns in million part. 52 million. Next, 205. 205. And we have 3 columns in it. How will we write 205? 205. 205. Say 205. 205 thousands and 6. No hundreds, no tens, only 6. In this way, you can represent the given numbers in chart. So, dear students, in this way you can solve easily exercise 1A. I hope you understand this chapter and try to solve one by one. Thanks. Have a nice day. We'll just meet in the next video of this chapter.